Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To not find a solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you'll enter to Google Meet app. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. And if it's not working with you, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.